Welcome to Peter Explain Mathematics. Today we want to look at this algebraic expression. Simplify 4p minus open bracket minus 8p minus 3q close bracket minus open bracket 4p plus 2q close bracket plus 2. How do we go about it? There are simple rules regarding operational signs in front of mathematical terms. Here we are having invisible form. So let's go ahead. We have 4p. What do we need to do first? We have to remove the brackets. Okay, how do we remove the bracket? We multiply the terms outside the brackets with all the terms within the brackets. So here we have minus multiply minus. What will give us? Plus. There is an invisible one here. 1 multiply 8p. That is 8p. Minus multiply minus. It gives plus. 1 multiply 3q. 3q. We move to this place. Minus multiply plus. That's minus. Okay. Invisible one multiply 4p. Minus multiply plus. Minus 1 multiply 2q. Then plus 2q. What do we need to do next is what we call collect like terms, that is terms that look alike. We are having letter P, Q. So we follow the arrangement of alphabetical order. At the same time, we tend to arrange positive terms before the negative terms. We have 4p plus 8p. Any other p? Yes. Minus 4p. 8p, 4p. We are left with q plus 3q minus 2q plus 2. So 4p plus 8p, that is 12p. 12p minus 4, that is 8p. We have plus 3q minus 2q. We are left with plus q, then plus 2. This is our final answer. Thank you.